Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. Hey, guess what day it is? It's Sunday, August the 9th, which is, I guess, not a big deal. But the bigger deal was yesterday was Saturday, August the 8th. And the reason that's a big deal is because that was the start of Gaahleri Days. Now, this is really a pretty big promotion, and it's really aimed at all of you out there, because you're really going to be able to get some terrific deals on Gaahleri products, airbrushes, parts, accessories, and their Kaleido paint line. So check out what they have going on, and you can use my discount code right there. Okay. And, I've mentioned this before. I have about, 15 or 16 airbrushes. Maybe it's 17. I'm really not sure. And I've got a variety of airbrushes, everything from Gaahleri, Harder and Steenbeck, Iwata, Grex, a number of them. And I have 4 airbrushes that I would say with certainty that they happen to be my favorites that I routinely go to. Now, it's not because I don't like the other airbrushes. Everything I've got, I can't say that there's any one airbrush that I dislike. But like anything else, we all have our favorites. And, 4 airbrushes in particular are ones that I reach for and use on a regular basis. 3 of those 4 are Gaahleri airbrushes. The Seeker is one, the Mobius Point 3, and the TG5 is the third one. The other one is an Iwata Eclipse, and I really kind of hang on to that because that was my very first airbrush when I started doing airbrushing about, 6-7 years ago, maybe. I don't know. So I just kind of hang on to that because, well, it was my first airbrush. So, but the other 3 are Gaahleri airbrushes, and despite many of the other airbrushes that I have, those 3 that I just mentioned are my go-to favorites. They're reliable. They're easy to use. They perform. They're easy to clean. I mean, so I just automatically reach for those. And you'll be able to get those and all their other airbrushes on sale, and it's a good opportunity for all of you out there. One of the airbrushes that Gaahleri has is a GHAD 39. That's, I think, their budget airbrush. And I have mentioned many times in the past, if you're getting into airbrushing for the very first time, don't go for the top of the line airbrush right out of the gate, okay? Because you want to make sure that you like airbrushing before you spend lots of money on it. Another one is the Seeker airbrush, which happens to be the first prize for the American Graffiti group build, which begins on September the 1st. Gaahleri is sponsoring that group build, and they have donated a Seeker airbrush as the first prize, okay? And I also, since we're on the subject of sponsors, Model Makers Workshop is donating a second place prize, which is a $50 gift certificate. So thank you to Model Makers Workshop, okay? But I specifically asked if the prize could be the Seeker airbrush because I really, really like that airbrush. So this is your opportunity to go out, take a look at all of the products that they have, and you'll be able to save yourself quite a bit of money and get yourself some really very good airbrushes, equipment, and Kaleido paints. The Kaleido paints are just really terrific. Somebody recently sent me a message and said, it seems like you only use acrylic paints. Before Kaleido came out, I was a lacquer guy. And I kind of have strayed away from a lot of my lacquers, and I use the Kaleido paints. Well, I won't say exclusively, but an awful lot because I really genuinely love them. So anyway, as I said, your opportunity to get a lot of money off of your purchases, and you'll be able to get yourself some quality stuff. Okay. I want to make a quick mention of my friend Jim Balokis. He is the president of the Long Island Scale Model Society Club, and he took second place in the IPMS Nationals show. And he also had his build featured in Auto Modeler magazine. Well, it's going to be featured. They took a photograph of his build, and it's going to be in an upcoming issue. So to Jim Bolokas, congratulations. He's a good guy, and he deserves it. Okay, let me quickly also mention my other friend George. Okay, City of Palms. All right, that's the name of his new model car club, and it's in the Fort Myers area of Florida. So if you are a model builder and you're in the area of Fort Myers, Florida, check out City of Palms Model Car Club. Okay, George, I met George at, I think, at the last meeting for my model car club here on Long Island, the Long Island Auto Replica Society Club, or Liars as it's called. And really nice guy, down-to-earth guy, and he loves the hobby. So yeah, I think you'll be doing yourself a favor if you're in the Florida area or the Fort Myers, Florida area, by checking out this brand new club. Okay, there you go. There's the email and the phone number and all the contact information right down there. Okay, there you go. Okay, and also don't forget my friend Jay, 40 scale, no, 4, I'm screwing it up. 47 Scale Model Garage, brand new YouTube channel. He is right here on Long Island, so go and check him out too. And don't forget, check out Gaahleri Days. Okay, so this was just a real quick video about Gaahleri Days, and you'll be doing yourself a favor if you jump on and take advantage of that. Okay, so I will see all of you in the next video.